Coaxial Technology is a leading cable assembly and wiring harness manufacturer, experts in fine coaxial cable assembly, EDP cable, LVDS cable, IPEX cable, MOLEX cable, display cables, LCD/LED screen cable, RF antenna cable, high-definition camera cable, which are widely used for LCD screen, industrial camera, laptop, machine vision, digital video camera televisions, medical instrumentation, smart appliances, flight control systems, unmanned aerial vehicle, industrial control equipment, educational electronics, test equipment, and so on. Quality is our culture. Welcome to contact us to custom cable assembly and wiring harness.